Hey everyone, welcome back to the FitFlex channel. If you're new to running or looking to get started, this video is for you. In today's video, we're going to share some running tips for beginners. Running is a great way to stay active and healthy, but it's important to start slow and listen to your body. Let's get into it. Start with a walking and running combination. If you're new to running, it's best to start with a walking and running combination. Begin by walking for a few minutes to warm up, then alternate between running and walking. Start with a 1-to-1 ratio of running to walking and gradually increase the running time as your body adjusts. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals can help keep you motivated and on track. Start with small goals, such as running for 5 minutes without stopping, and gradually increase the time and distance as you progress. Invest in a good pair of running shoes. Having the right pair of running shoes can make a huge difference in your comfort and performance. Look for shoes that provide good support and cushioning for your feet. Practice good form. Good running form can help prevent injury and improve your performance. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your arms at your sides, and your elbows bent at a 90-degree angle. Your feet should land lightly on the ground, and your stride should be natural and comfortable. Mix up your running routine. Variety is key when it comes to running. Mix up your running routine by adding intervals, hills, or different terrains. This can help prevent boredom and challenge your body in new ways. Focus on your breathing. Breathing is a crucial part of running. To make it easier, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Try to maintain a steady rhythm as you run. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to running. Aim to run at least 3 times per week to build up your endurance and improve your fitness level. Fuel your body. Running requires energy, so it's important to fuel your body with healthy foods. Eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. And don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Stay hydrated. Running can cause you to sweat and lose water, so it's important to stay hydrated. Make sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your run. Listen to music or a podcast. Running can be repetitive, so listening to music or a podcast can help keep you entertained and motivated. Create a playlist of your favorite songs or listen to a podcast that interests you. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels as you run. If you experience pain or discomfort, slow down, or take a break. It's better to take it easy and prevent injury than to push yourself too hard. And that's it. Those are some running tips for beginners. Remember, starting slow and setting achievable goals are key to building up your endurance and preventing injury. Mix up your running routine, stay consistent, and fuel your body with healthy foods. And don't forget to listen to music or a podcast to keep yourself entertained and motivated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the FitFlex channel for more fitness videos and tips.